The climb to the summit. Ravi was a 24-year-old delivery boy in the bustling city of Mumbai. Every day, he navigated the crowded streets on his old bicycle, delivering parcels to strangers. Though his work was exhausting, Ravi carried a dream in his heart. He wanted to climb the highest peak in India, Mount Kanchenjunga. People around him often laughed at his dream. "How will a delivery boy climb a mountain?" they teased. But Ravi believed that determination could move mountains, literally. One evening, as he rested on a bench near the city park, Ravi met an experienced mountaineer named Aryan. Intrigued by Ravi's passion, Aryan asked, "Do you know what it takes to climb a peak like Kanchenjunga?" Ravi replied confidently, "Hard work and courage." Aryan smiled and said, "You're right, but you also need training, discipline, and knowledge. If you're serious, meet me here tomorrow at sunrise." Next day, Ravi showed up with a spark in his eyes. Aryan became his mentor, teaching him the basics of climbing, fitness, and survival. Ravi juggled his delivery job and training, waking up at 4 a.m. to practice hiking, building his stamina, and learning about mountaineering gear. After 2 years of rigorous preparation, Ravi finally joined an expedition team heading to Kanchenjunga. The journey was grueling. The icy winds and steep climbs tested his physical and mental strength. There were moments when he doubted himself, but he remembered Aryan's words. "The summit is only for those who never give up." After weeks of climbing, Ravi stood at the summit of Mount Kanchenjunga, gazing at the endless horizon. Tears filled his eyes as he realized he had achieved what once seemed impossible. He thought of the people who doubted him and smiled, knowing he had proved them wrong. When Ravi returned to Mumbai, he wasn't just a delivery boy anymore, he was an inspiration to his community. His story reminded everyone that no dream is too big if you're willing to work for it. Vocabulary. 1. Bustling, full of activity and energy. 2. Exhausting, extremely tiring. 3. Navigate, to find your way through. 4. Intrigued, curious or fascinated. 5. Stamina, physical or mental endurance. 6. Grueling, extremely difficult and tiring. 7. Rigorous, strict and demanding. 8. Expedition, a journey for a specific purpose, often adventure. 9. Steep, rising or falling sharply. 10. Endless horizon, a view with no visible end. Moral of the story: dreams may seem out of reach, but with persistence, hard work, and the right guidance, nothing is impossible. Believe in yourself, and the world will believe in you. This story would work beautifully for listening practice. It's simple yet motivational, and the vocabulary enhances understanding while expanding knowledge. Would you like me to suggest a follow-up activity for practicing this story?